Welcome to the Florida Courts e-filing portal. Today let's take a look at filing documents to multiple cases in the same submission. Log into the portal and go to the e-filing map. Once you're at the e-filing map, select the File Documents to Multiple Cases. Then select the county you'll be submitting your documents to and click on File Now. On the Case Information page, select from the Division drop-down the division you will be submitting these documents to, and then click on Search. The portal will go out to the case management system for the county you're filing to pull back the case information so that you can make sure you're filing to the correct case. Now, if there is no fee to file the document that you are submitting, you can jump quickly to the Documents tab and click on Add. Either search for or select from the list the document that you will be submitting. Browse out on your computer to where you have saved those documents and find the document that you will be filing to. I am going to go to my folder and find the e-filing documents, and I'm going to select my document, take one last look, click on Open, click on Save, and once that document has uploaded and the actual size of the document is available, I can then go on to my Service List tab, select who I wish to serve from this Service List tab. If everyone is not available, I can add parties to this service list. But I can either choose to select all, or I can individually select who I wish to serve. Once I have created my service list for this case, click on Review. Make sure all of the information is accurate, and then click on Add Case. This takes me back to my case information page. You'll see in the top the grid the first case we will be submitting to. Now you can file to the same county or a different county, to the same division or a different division. Just simply choose the county that you will be submitting to if it is not the same county. Select the division, type in the year and the sequence number and the court type if necessary. Click on Search, and again, the case management system will be tapped to pull back that case information so that you can make sure you're filing to the correct case. In this criminal case, we're going to jump to the Documents tab. We're going to click on Add. We're going to choose the document we will be submitting. Browse out on the computer to where I have saved that document. Select it, take your one last look, click on Open, then click on Save. Now again, because this is a different case, we will have to choose the service list for this case. You can add parties to this service list if they are not visible by simply clicking on the My Added Attorney, Interested Party. You can add them from the attorney list, or you can add from your e-service favorites. I have favorites saved to my profile, so I will add based on my favorites who I wish to add to this service list. That will add those parties, automatically check them for service. Now I'm ready to click on Next or Review. Make sure I go back over and check the information for this case. And again, if I am ready to submit another case, I can do so, or I can submit all now. We'll add one more case, and we'll go ahead and choose Seminole County. We will choose a different division. Let's go ahead and choose the domestic relations. We'll type in the year, case number. Go ahead and choose the court type. Do your search. It will pull back your case information. Again, if there is a fee involved, you would need to select a party. If not, you can jump to your Documents tab. Choose the document that you will be submitting. Browse out to your computer. Find that document. Take your one last look at that PDF-A document. Click on Open. Click on Save. Save that. Once you see that file size there, you're free to move on to your service list. Again, you can add to your service list if you need to by My Added Attorneys or Interested Parties, and you can either search the active e-filing portal users or search the portal bar or actually type in the person's name. If we search the active attorney users in the portal, we do a search, it pulls back a list. We then go ahead and add the person that we wish to add. We click on Save. You can also add it to your eService favorites if you wish to do so. Click on Save. Case role is required. You must define who this person is you're adding. So we will call this person the co-counsel for the plaintiff. Click on Save. And now we have 3 cases that we are filing 3 different documents to. Our service list is provided. Click on Review, and you can keep going through Add Case to submit as many documents as you have to submit at a given time to any county you need to submit them to. When you're ready, you click on Review All and Submit, and it will take you to the final page where it gives you the opportunity to view everything that you have entered and make sure for each case that it is all listed appropriately. If there are any errors, it will give you an error message, and it will give this Revise button, which allows you to go back into that one submission. So once you are ready to submit, you can save all and submit later, which will put it on your workbench, or you can go ahead and confirm and submit all now. If you save, it will be on your workbench, all 3 cases, for 5 days. We'll go ahead and confirm and submit all now, and you'll see that each of the cases we created and submitted to is listed on our Filing Received Confirmation page. Gives you the status of each of those submissions. We'll click on Refresh, and you can see that the notice of electronic filing will appear once notice has gone out, along with a copy of that document in PDF format. It's now pending review with the county we submitted to. And again, if you go to your My Submissions page, it will also be listed, each submission individually listed, which gives you a link to all of the information that you have provided, as well as the documents and the service list. And if there was a fee payment, it would show you that. So that's how you can submit filings or documents to more than one case in one session. File documents to multiple cases. Thank you.